A lot of viewers have been asking in the comments about the Windows 11 25H2 update, so I decided to make a video on it. I have already installed it on my laptop, and it is working nicely. As of now, Microsoft has not released it officially, but it's expected to roll out in October on their website. Right now, for testing purposes, it's available through the Windows Insider program, and you can download easily. In this video, I'll show you how to download the ISO, create a bootable USB, and install it on your PC. So watch the video completely. The first step is to download the Windows 11 25H2 ISO. So open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Open first website. Now click on Windows Insider Preview and choose this option. Once there, log in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it takes just a couple of minutes to create. After logging in, you have to go in Windows Insider program from the settings. Once done, come back to website. Now refresh website. And you will find additional options. Now scroll down and you'll see an option to select the edition. From here, choose this option and click Confirm. Then choose your product language and confirm. After that, the download option for 64-bit will appear. Click it, and the ISO will start downloading. The file size is about 7 GB, which is larger compared to the previous 24H2 version that was around 5.6 GB. Now we will need another tool called Rufus to make our USB bootable. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open first website and download its latest version. Once both files are downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Now open Rufus. You need an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive. Plug it in PC, it will automatically select the USB device. Now under Boot Selection, click Select, and choose the ISO file you downloaded. Here you have to choose your device partition style. To check your partition style, simply search System Information on Windows search bar and open it. Here you will find BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, then choose GPT. And if it says Legacy, then choose MBR. After that, leave all settings as it is and click Start. Make sure to select all of these options to avoid any error while installing. Now it will give some warnings. Click OK for all. Now Rufus will format your USB drive and make it bootable. Once done, click Close. Now if I open this PC, you can see our bootable USB is ready. Now keep the USB plugged in and restart your PC. When PC restarts, press your PC's boot menu key according to your system. From the boot menu, choose the USB device and press Enter. The installation screen will appear. Now follow all on-screen instructions and install it on your PC. Finally, our Windows has been installed successfully. Now if I GI to settings to check Windows version, you can see it's 25H2. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel,